When we start watching Utando Nestembu season 1, Sneh was working. Musamsele could try with his own means to find a job for his daughter. Sneh quit a job. Macele asked Sneh, why did you quit a job? She didn't give her a solid reason. Sneh started sleeping on boyfriend's house because at that time Macele was in Muzumbe trying to find Sneh. Sneh was not on her father's compound. Sneh was sleeping outside to boyfriend's house in Muzumbe. So Macele finds Sneh and asked her a question. And Tando was not with Tando. Sneh was dumping her daughter Tando and go to sleep outside. That's why Macele took a decision to take Tando to stay with Tando permanently. But Musamselek was not like that because Musamselek could try with his own means to help his daughter's name. And at that time, they are starting the program Utando Nestembu. Maybe fame was on her head, Sneh. Because when they are starting that program, Sneh was okay. But season 1, season 2, season 3, fame was on her head. You know that those boys, they want a person who is too famous. Sneh was becoming famous, starting getting pregnant after pregnant, quit a job, start going to the clubs, drinking, what. When we start that program, Sneh was not like that the way she is, or to be lazy, doesn't want to go to work. Musamseleku have got money, but he doesn't have a lot of money the way he have got now, and have got a program of Isingane Sestembu. Sneh start earning money on Utando Nestembu and Isingane Sestembu. That's why she doesn't want to open even a business for herself because she have got money. Fame was on her head because when you are starting being famous, you know boys the way they are, they pretend like they like her, but they want to play with her. Mangwawe and Makumalo, they say it about Sneh, the way she is behaving. It's because of fame. Fame is too much on her. She doesn't know how to control herself. Musamseleku tried with his own means. Sometimes you can judge Musamseleku was telling Macele that I don't want Tando in CPAC. Why are you staying with that child? I remember that on season 5. Because Sneh was failing to take care of that child. Macele was doing it for the child because it was going to ruin Tando's future. Macele is a good wife, guys, because she tried with her own means. We saw Macele was up and down in Muzumbe trying to find Sneh, to ask her some questions. Why are you doing those things you are doing? She tried with her own means, but nothing changes to Sneh. That's why Macele nowadays, she doesn't comment anything, can look at Sneh like that. And tomorrow Sneh can go to broadcast after broadcast and saying bad things about Musamseleku's wives, but was the one who is responsible to her life. Musamseleku find a job to that girl. That girl was working, but fame was in her head because when you are very famous, you don't know how to control your life. You are doing whatever you want to do. So Macele tried, even Musamseleku tried with his own means, Sneh to have a license, Sneh to go to work. Musamseleku was wishing good things to his daughter Sneh. Even at that time, she had a child. Musamseleku understand that Sneh made a mistake to have Tando or on her life at the first time, and try to find a job, trying to managing her. How is your life? Everything, to find a driver who can teach her to drive. But nothing. Sneh doesn't care. Even now, she doesn't know how to drive. Mpilo and Awongwe, they know how to drive. They have got license. Makumalo said Mpilo was teaching Pilo to drive. Now she have got a license, Pilo. But tomorrow she can become very bitter. My siblings, they look at me, they look down for me, like maybe they don't respect me. How they can respect her? She doesn't take care of herself. She doesn't respect herself, but she is, you know, that expecting other people to respect her. She can't respect herself. Sneh have to do something in her life because tomorrow we don't know. Life is too short. Even Macele can wake up, not be in this world, and she can't find a wife like a mother like Macele. Macele was trying with her own means to try to change her life, but nothing changes to Snare.